Hi guys, welcome back to Get Fit Financially. Today I'm going to explain something to you that can change your entire financial future. The power of compound interest. Sounds fancy, doesn't it? But don't worry, I'll explain it to you in simple terms. For example, let's say you invest 8,000 rupees a month starting at the age of 25. By the time you're 60, with just a 7% interest rate, you'll end up with 2 crore rupees. But if you start at the age of 35, you'll end up with just 96 lakhs. And that is the beauty of compounding. The earlier you start, the more you get. So what is compound interest? It's simple. It's when your money earns interest and that interest earns more interest. You might be thinking, I don't have any extra money to save right now. But every small amount can add up to something big. Just remember, it's not about being rich, it's about staying consistent and letting time do the heavy lifting. So how can you make the most of compounding? Here are 3 simple tips. Tip number 1, start early. The earlier, the better. Even if it's just a small amount. Tip number 2, be consistent. Invest regularly, whether it be yearly or monthly. And tip number 3, be patient. Compounding takes time, but the results are completely worth it. So guys, start today, no matter how small, and watch your financial future grow. Stay tuned to IIC Lakshya for more such informative videos.